Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to face to surface. So for example, you can create new design and I will use the line tools to create sketch. Okay, here I will use the arch in this point and also in here. Use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to create face to surface, we can use the move tools. You can click this icon move and select face objects. Now you can press Ctrl button, hold, and then I will click in this blue axis, move into here. So it will be automatically create surface from the selected face. You also can create from this face. I will press Ctrl button to select multiple, and then press again Ctrl button, hold. You can move like in this right axis. And that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to face to surface. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.